Okay, hello everyone, welcome to my video. And today I would like to talk about the English for the intercultural understanding. Okay, this courses is not only about the learning English, but it is about the understanding about the people, cultures, and the world around us. And in this global era, language is not only a tool to speak, but the language is a bridge to connect different culture, country, and also background. Okay, everyone, let me start with a simple question. Have you ever misunderstood someone from another country? Yeah. Have you ever talked to someone from another country and felt confused or misunderstood? Maybe, yeah, the words were correct, but the meaning felt different. Sometimes the problem is not grammar, and the real problem is the culture. Okay, in next slide. What is the intercultural understanding? Intercultural understanding means we try to understand people from different backgrounds, and it is about respecting difference, listening to perspective, and communicating without judging other. These courses help us to become more aware and also not perfect. Okay, next, why is this course very important? Okay, because we live in a global world. Okay, we live in a global world and we study online, work in international team, and interact with people from different country every day. Yeah, even without traveling abroad, we meet different culture through the internet. And next, English is a bridge. English today is a global language. People from different countries use English to communicate with each other. Okay, in this situation, English became a bridge, not a wall. But without the cultural understanding, that bridge that bridge can easy to break. Okay, next, connection to knowledge about the country. Learning intercultural understanding also means learning about the countries. We learn how the people communicate and how they behave and what they value in daily life. For example, being direct is a polite in some country, but truth in others. Okay, next slide. Why knowing country matters? Knowing about countries help us avoid stereotype. One story does not represent a whole country. One person does not represent all cultures. When we understand this, we stop making the assumption and start showing the respect to someone with different country background or culture. Okay, next, intercultural understanding and SDGs. This course is also connected to sustainable development goals, especially SDG 4 about quality education, SDG 10 about the reduce inequalities, and SDG 16 about the peace and justice. Understanding culture help to create peace, and also peace starts from the understanding. Okay, next. This is a simple example in daily life. Let's look a simple example. Online communication often fail because of the culture. Humor, tone, or gesture can be misunderstood. A joke in one country can be offensive in another country. Yeah, this is why cultural awareness is very important. And next, why students need these courses? As a student, we are future global citizens. Many of us will work with international team and or maybe study abroad to another country or engage in global communities. Yeah, intercultural skill or intercultural understanding skill are not optional to anyone. They are necessary. And next, what you will learn in these courses, you will learn about the cultural difference. Yeah, global communication and also real intercultural case. These topics are usually not discussion deeply in the class, but they are very useful and also fun to be explored about the knowledge country or SDGs. Okay, now I want you to think about this question. Yeah, what culture do you want to understand better? A country, a community, or a global issue? Yeah, intercultural understanding start with curiously. And this is key message for you. The main message is simple. Language without culture is incomplete. And grammar is very important. But culture gives the meaning. Understanding culture makes English more human and also more understanding. Okay, everyone. Through these courses, we are encouraged to keep learning and listening. First, be curious. The second, be respectful. And the third, be open minded. If you continue learning about the intercultural understanding, you will discover many interesting stories. Okay, everyone, for the conclusion in this presentation, English for intercultural understanding teach us not only about the how to speak English properly, but it's teach us to how to connect with the people from the other country, background, and also culture. And I want to say you thank you for watching my presentation today, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.